Okay, good afternoon, it's Tony Hayes again for Paranormal Investigation UK. This is a follow-on review of movie 187. This is 187B. 187 really looked after the audible capture. This one's actually looking at the light anomalies that triggered this camera CCTV alert. I'll quickly get into this. It's what looks like 2 or 3 light anomalies that appear to match each other's flight in a way, almost looking like a reflection, but a reflection is certainly not. So what I'm actually going to do is get the capture, then I'm actually going to split and get rid of the video which doesn't contain these flying objects. There we go, they're there. Seem to be matching the flight identically. I'm just going to split it there. You'll hear this funny noise, which is the rap that I've dealt with on 187 movie. This is 187B. And what we're trying to do is try to find out exactly, if we can, what these light anomalies actually are. They seem to be insect based or bug based, but I've never actually seen them in pairs before, so I have actually done a little bit of research which has suggested that these are commonly known as love bugs. Sometimes they can be tied together by the bodies, and other times, particularly they seem to be quite abundant in Florida in the United States, but I can't find much information as regard to love bugs. You know, they definitely fly in pairs, as in tandem, matching each other's flight. That's where I'm having a problem. So if you know information or can put me in the right direction, I'd be grateful if you either contact us via email, Facebook, or drop us a comment on this YouTube. So this is what we've got. They're not identical, but they seem to be duplicating each other's flight. And this is the 4th capture we've actually had with regard to these. What I'm going to do now is to just duplicate it, and I'm going to slow this down. I'm on about 1 frame every 5 seconds now. And they come from the left. There we go. Let's go back a touch. Get rid of that. Looks like 3 there. Light rods. I'm actually going to take an image of this. Those of you who take want to take a photograph of a movie capture, use snippet tool within Windows. Very clever bit of kit and very easy to use as well. Okay. Now it's gone to 2 objects. Certainly 3 were there initially. there is a slight reflection there. I've never actually seen anything like this before, but there's been 4 cases when we've had 2 practically identical white anomalies that seem to suggest that they're insect based. I think they come back into view somewhere. There we go. I'll take another shot of that. It's about 20 past 12 at night. Yeah, there was 2 of these on the previous, about 4 minutes previous on another alarm. I showed these 2 anomalies. I don't believe that they're paranormal in nature. I just like to know what the heck they are. Just a bit strange. Take another shot. Yeah, I think we've gone now. Yeah. Certainly 3 there. And they've gone to 2. They've got to be insects, these are bugs of some description. Sometimes and in Paranormal Investigation has to research some strangest of things, and I think this is one of them. But certainly what I've read on the internet with regard to love bugs is sort of pointing towards insects of some description. Yeah. Right, okay, if you can help in any way, please let me know in the comments box. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.